Oh my god. What's going on with my hair today? Oh. I give up. I give up! Hi! Welcome back. I don't know how this filming setup is gonna look, but I don't care. I know I've been MIA, posting like one video every other week, and it has to deal with books, which I know not everyone is a book person, but that's okay, because today is all about our dreams. Anything and everything that we have ever wanted. One of those being that you guys want to see me make a video, not about books. I did include a book in this project today, so sorry. Whew. Yes, I am back on my grind. I hit 1,000 subscribers, got monetized, and then just I couldn't handle the fame, man. Just kidding. I am conditionally going back to work, and that is pretty much the main reason why I haven't been posting as much. I don't know, sleep seems way sexier than filming and editing a video. From the title of this video, I think you kind of have an idea of what we're going to be doing today. We all know what vision boards are. The whole concept of a vision board is to visualize the things that, you know, your goals and your aspirations, to basically make it become a reality. Long story short, vision boards are basically you glue a piece of paper on a piece of paper and boom, your dreams come true, right? Vision boards coincide with the law of attraction and The Secret. Either way, we love crafting here. We love achieving success here. I'm going to share with you my vision of success and things that I would love to accomplish. So let's just get started, right? So for a vision board, it's really simple. We've all made one. So what you're gonna need is a piece of paper. This is my piece of paper, 33 cents at Walmart. A pair of scissors that I had to tear up my whole house just to find these. I can't believe I found these. I found this pair of scissors like in one of my bathroom cabinets, like all the way like wedged in the back with like all the other forgotten skincare items that I never used, hence the elephant in the room. This should have been the first thing I put on my vision board, is clear skin. I do have to wear a mask to work. I broke out literally on, like this right here is from my mask line. So you need paper, scissors, and a glue stick. Vision boards are all very different. They're all you know, they cater to the individual person that is making them. Typically you go through a magazine or pictures of some sort and you like pick what's calling out to you. What didn't call out to me was how expensive magazines are. It didn't seem practical to me, so I used my handy dandy printer and printed off a few things to put on my vision board, and then I ran out of ink. If we still have a lot of space to play with, I got a magic marker, and I guess I'll just write in all the awesome things that I'm going to manifest because I did this project. Let's get started with all the things that I'm gonna manifest into reality. Well, let's just get this out of the way, because if I don't include this in here, what kind of person am I? You know? The humanitarian person in me would not be okay if I didn't include this. World peace, baby! I really don't like how close this is to me. I don't like how intimate we're getting right now. Yes, we all want a perfect world where we all love each other and we can all get along, and you know, what makes us different doesn't make us treat each other in a negative way, etc., etc. It is something very important, and it is something that I do envision. And so, like, think about the polar bears. All right, so next thing I want to put on my vision board is a dead fly. So next on my vision board, you guys are gonna really like this one. I want another puppy. Does that surprise you? I think not. My husband and I have been talking about bringing another dog into the family because we are crazy dog people. He knew what he signed up for. I can't be stopped. Funny enough, we did actually have a puppy that we were planning on bringing home. I'm not gonna go into detail everything that happened, but we did have a puppy that we picked out and we're ready to introduce into our family. The day that we were gonna pick up this puppy, like I had the whole house puppy proof, had everything ready. I was super excited. My husband was going to be on a work trip for a few days, so me and the puppy would get a few days together, and I was so excited about it. And literally an hour before I was supposed to leave my house to go get this dog, the woman lied to me. She sold the dog from under me to someone else for more money. I don't want to talk about it too much because it just really bums me out. And she was a very awful person. And maybe one day I'll expose her. Well, I want to keep this positive, right? So I want to get another Frenchie or another puppy of some sorts. I don't know. But we all love a cute puppy. Ooh, another thing that I want to put on my vision board. I'm so sorry for that noise. I want a fish. A very, very poor drawing of a fish, but I don't care. I want a fish. Who knows? 2020's been crazy. Crazier things have happened. So who knows? Maybe I'll get a fish. Okay, so disclaimer. I obviously don't own any of the rights to these photos. I did a simple Google search. So credit is where credit is due. I don't own them, very obviously. This one is a no-brainer. It's included in almost every single vision board. So I'm gonna include it in here because I want this. Abs. I don't care which pair. I want my abs back. I would really, really like to get back into better shape than I have been lately. I've definitely neglected an area of my life that I used to have a huge passion for. I think that's something that, we can all strive to achieve, is to be healthier, be better. Anyway, I want some abs. I want my abs back. I want them back. So you know how I told you that this wasn't going to be a book video? I told you I kind of lied. Okay. This here we have the remaining series by DJ Moles, which if you have checked out my quarantine book recommendations video, I talk about this series. DJ Moles is a self-published author who created this amazing series about a post-apocalyptic world. If you follow DJ Moles on Facebook or social media, every once in a while when he's publishing a new book in the series, he has this raffle to have a chance to be a character in one of his books. Ever since he started doing this, I put my name in the raffle to become a character in his series, and I have begged and pleaded for him to make me into a character in his book series, and I've never won. I know, hard to believe, right? I am envisioning that DJ Moles will one day use my name, K.aylene. K.aylene, that's a unique name, right? K.aylene, to make me into a badass character in one of his books. Immortalize my name forever and ever in a book. That would be just so cool. Even if I'm just a throwaway character that maybe lasts a chapter and dies in a really stupid way, it would be a super badass character. And some of these vision boards have really pretty markers and stickers and all that stuff, but due to COVID and my laziness, like I said, I'm just using my printer and printing out and drawing all that stuff. We are doing another super stereotype. I don't care, because this is something I think everyone should do more of, and that's travel. This vision board is looking like a hot mess. I want to travel more. I think this is important for everyone to get out there and experience the world. My husband and I, we used to make it a point to go out of the country once a year, even if it's just for a few days, just to experience what's out there. So we always made it a point to go out and travel. This year, of course, with coronavirus, that wasn't something that we could do. But yes, this is something I really, really, really want to do. There's so many places I still want to travel. Nothing's off the table. If there is anything else that any of you would like to recommend, please drop a comment down below and I will do my best to check it out and we'll put it on my bucket list. So this one is a little more far off fetched, but I don't care. I'm still including this on my vision board. Anyway, if any of you follow drama in the entertainment industry, you will know that there is an iconic television personality that is under fire right now. I'm not gonna go too much into detail because I'm not a drama channel, but I will say I am willing to step in and fill those shoes when the time comes if this television personality decides to call it quits. I should show you the picture first before I slap it on there because I made this picture myself. That is me hosting my own daytime television show with my guest star, Keanu Reeves. How awesome would it be if I was a television personality and got to interview Hollywood's hottest and best in the biz? Wow. Okay, tell me how you really feel. Is that not awesome to envision? No? Yes? I'm sorry, but yes, like, look, Keanu Reeves is just so excited to talk to me. My show. Honestly, this YouTube channel is my own show, so I should label the rest of these. DJ Moles, put me in your book. That's pretty self-explanatory. That's self-explanatory. Love is love, y'all. Abs. This is like the shoddiest vision board ever, but whatever, we're going with it. I have always wanted to be one of two things when I grew up. One career was to be a veterinarian and work with animals. However, my family always asked me how I would act if I ever had to put a dog down or a dead animal or something like that, and that pretty much turned me off of wanting to become a veterinarian because I was like, I can't deal with dead animals. But the second career path that I always dreamt of doing my whole life was to be a movie star. I wanted to be like a huge, successful movie star. Obviously I'm not, look at me, but we all have dreams, right? So I photoshopped my face onto Meryl Streep accepting her Oscar as me accepting my Oscar. We'll put fame! Putting that on my vision board, fame. And with that, we want money. We all want money. I want money. You want money. We all want money. With fame, we want success. A more realistic idea of what I have always envisioned myself to become was a businesswoman. I always thought that someday I could have it in me to become a business owner. Another picture that I want to put on my vision board would be to one day become a successful CEO of my own company. You know how they say, like, for your vision board that, you know, you're only supposed to put pictures on your vision board of like photos that call out to you? This picture was screaming at me. This is the dude from 365 Days. He's a mob boss, but like he's a CEO of his own company. And that was like the first person that came to mind when I was thinking of a CEO. If you haven't watched 365 Days on Netflix, you're lying, because everyone has seen that movie. Every single person out there has gotten curious about it. I will say that 365 Days is a lot closer to what 50 Shades of Grey should have been, because I read the 50 Shades of Grey trilogy and it was amazing. But when they decided to come out with the movie, I don't know what they were thinking. No idea. It was so cringy. I hated it Sorry, I'm just still staring at this picture. I don't think I can put this on my vision board. I'll save this one. Woo! I like it. We are on the last photo I was able to print before my printer ran out of ink. As you know, I just hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's not a very big feat for some, but for me it means a lot. I have been having so much fun doing YouTube, even though I haven't had a chance to post that much. A girl's gotta eat. If you think that right once you become monetized that you make a bunch of money off YouTube, get that thought out of your mind, because that ain't happening. If you quit your job to be a full-time YouTuber the moment you get monetized, you're gonna starve to death. At the end of the day, it's not about money. It's about having fun and enjoying what you're doing, and that's what I'm doing. But yeah, the very last picture that I want to put on my vision board, of course, is the diamond play button. Super small, I'm sorry. It took forever for me to even find an image that I could print off the internet. You gotta think big, right? You know, I might have 1,000 subscribers right now, but do I see myself being a full-time YouTuber? Not necessarily, but I'm not stopping. Probably not. I don't know what, if this fly has anything to say about it, nothing's gonna happen. A lot of this is far-fetched. Some of it is not. But, you know, that's what a vision board is all about. If it's something that you want and, you know, you look at it every day and you're motivated to do it, I'm pointing at these abs for a reason. Future K.aylene, put down the pizza. Stop it. You don't need the pizza. You need to go to the gym and run. Stop it. Get some help. Sorry my vision board isn't as pretty as everyone else's, but I don't care. This is the most fun that 33 cents from Walmart can give you. I put VB because there's no way I'm gonna be able to write that whole thing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe so we're one step closer to that diamond play button. And yeah, I put up videos when I can. You guys enjoyed this video, and can't wait to see you in the next one. I love you guys with all my heart, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! With that fly buzzing in the background. The hell.